Be Rob, spitting that fire flame.
Nigga, it's that Black Raider clan.
You guys in the background, so you guys better get on this shit.
And I stand here in all black man, reppin' that BRK till the death of me. You know I'm down to spray for any nigga that's talking that hate. I'm coming through with the all black 9 fool, and I'm gonna bust your shit wide open, dude. You already know I'm coming through with the fucking AK. My max, hella chromed out.
All day, like a motherfucking savage. All we motherfucking do is spray, dropping that fire flame like a motherfucking propane. We going insane in your motherfucking membrane. We don't give a fuck though, cause I'm chilling with the ex nigga named Promo. Now he goes by the Kid Wizard, not giving a fuck cause he got the motherfucking formula. While me and this nigga smoking that Romulan. Don't give a shit cause we spitting the fucking fire. Don't give a shit, call us the motherfucking liars. I fucking up, spit this shit, fucking pass it to this fucking kid.
Ginger the Kid, suck my fucking dick. Bitches hella big, tripping on fucking shrooms and shit. Damn, I'm trying to get to the moon and shit. Fuck, nigga, got bitches from Venus all up on my penis, nigga. I don't give a shit, cause it's hella big, nigga. I'm sipping on promo, nigga. Hella slow mo, nigga. Suck on my dick like if it was a pole, nigga. Fuck these fucking haters trying to get my paper, passing it to Wizard the Kid. No longer goes by promo.
Niggas be getting higher trying to run this empire. They come with the Lord, don't give a fuck if you fucking sore. Yeah, I leave you walking.
Hey, let's go smoke that weed though.
Man, cause I ain't giving a fuck. Bitch, know what's up, man. Let me get the camera. These niggas trying to split them motherfucking trees. Don't give a fuck, man. If a nigga fucking please get on their knees and beg a nigga please, cause I'm the fucking Lord. I'm the fucking God. Don't give a fuck, bitch, cause I stay like a boss. I'm a motherfucking tycoon, so you better make room when the nigga come through, cause I'm spitting so quick. I'm on top of my shit, cause I'm sipping on that liquor, trying to get drunk quicker when I'm fucking sipping with the sickness, and now I'm coming with the quickness, and I'm bound to fucking kill this on the motherfucking illness. Yeah, I lay you on your back like a motherfucking doormat, nigga. I'm going so insane, look to the brain, nigga. I'm trying to fucking smoke. Don't give a fuck, cause a nigga never fucking chokes.